Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. This is the makeup that I normally wear on a daily basis. This is the eyeshadow that I would go for, the look that I would go for if I just want to spruce my look up a little bit more and not wear a normal natural makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I come out with content every single week, so you guys don't want to miss out on that. Make sure to hit that bell notification down below. It will let you know when I upload a new video. But yeah, so enough talking, let's get straight into this everyday makeup routine for 2018.
Hey guys, so we're going to start off by doing our eyebrows. I'm just going to start off by brushing them out and using this pencil from NYC to fill it in, and you just want to make sure that any sparse areas are nice and covered with the pencil. I usually like using a lighter color than my eyes, and after we're done doing that, I'm going to use the brush again to brush it out. Now I'm just going to use this Maybelline brow gel to set my brows in place, making sure that they won't move all day. And then we're going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to prime my eyes with this LA Pro Concealer and blend that out with a beauty blender. This will make sure that the eyeshadow lasts all day. I'm using the Jasmine palette, which is my favorite, and I'm going to start with this tan color for the crease of my eyelids and blending that out into the inner corners of my crease. This is just going to play as a transition color for the rest of the eye look. Next, we're going to use this lighter orange color as the inner and lid color for my eyeshadow, and you're just going to want to blend that in too. Now we're just going to move on to the outer parts, which I'm using this brown color just to deepen the color up and give my eyes a little bit more dimension and fullness. Next, I'm going to be taking the same LA color concealer and using that to make a cut crease for this eyeshadow. I'm just going to apply this to just the lids of my eyes and making sure it's nice and packed on. This is just going to serve as a template for when I add the real color to my eyes, and it's going to help pop through and look more vibrant and colorful. Now I'm just going to go back into the Jasmine palette and grab this gold shimmery color, and I'm going to add that on top of the concealer I just put on my eyes. Like I said, it's going to make the color shine through and look more vibrant, and you just want to make sure it's on nice and evenly and apply it to the same to the other eye. Now we're just going to take this black eyeliner pencil and apply it to the waterline of my eyes just to darken up the eye look just a little bit more. I like to do this because it just makes my eyes look a little bit more larger than it should be. And after we apply the eyeliner, we're going to move into liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to make a winged eyeliner and making sure it's nice and dramatic. And then you just want to repeat that to the other eye, making sure they look like sisters and not twins. And now we're going to just take a bunch of mascara and apply it to the eyelashes. You could also put on some false eyelashes, but for this makeup look, it's an everyday makeup look and I don't apply lashes every single time I do this. Now we're just going to move on to the face makeup. I'm going to apply some concealer to the under of my eyes and the forehead, the bridge of my nose, and we're just going to blend it out with this Artiste brush that I just picked up from Walmart. I'll have it linked down below. It works super well with blending out, and I feel like this works better than a beauty blender. So after we blend all of that out, we're going to move on to bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze and color up my face a little bit so I don't look as pale. And then I'm going to add some blush. This is also from Walmart, and I'm going to apply that to my cheeks. Now I'm going to use this NYX Luminizer highlighter, and it's liquid, and I love applying this before I apply my powder. This is very, very, very subtle, you know, not too flashy. I like using this. After I apply the liquid, I'm going to use powder to go over it with this e.l.f. Heart Defensor highlighter, and this just makes it a little bit more brighter and noticeable. Then I'm just going to apply my Kylie Cosmetics matte lipstick in the color Ginger. This is one of my favorite lipsticks by her. And to finish off the makeup look, I'm going to grab my matte setting spray, and this is by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to mist my face. So this is the finished look for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week with my new video. Bye!